Tir Tir is a Korean beauty brand, mostly skincare, I think. And you can now find them at Ulta. Their name means trust in radiance. I'm not familiar with this brand, so when I'm not familiar with the brand, I try to get hold of an advent calendar. That way I can check out their products at a much lesser cost. As near as I can tell, looking on their website, most of their items seem to retail for at least $25. We paid $90 for this advent calendar. It's a 16-day advent calendar. So that would make each day $6.18, which is a definite savings over $25 or more per item. So let's see what was in there. Do you know this brand? Let me know that I know. First up, it looks like a Hydro Boost Enzyme Powder Wash. Deep Cleanse, Gentle Exfoliator. There it is. One of the things I'm noticing, in addition to a very nice safety seal on each box, is at the bottom, in itty-bitty little print, but it is there, an expiration date of 2027. That's nice. And they also give good directions and good explanations. Oh, that's an added bonus. It says that this is a cleansing powder wash with soft enzymed particles and 5 types of probiotics. It removes impurities and exfoliates dead skin cells, resulting in clear and smooth complexion. Hey, that's pretty neat. We have a makeup remover, Hydro Boost Enzyme Cleansing Balm. And Anne is finding she really likes a good cleansing balm. Yes, so I'm excited to get to try this one. This is a milk skin toner in light, moisturizing and smoothing. I think we tried a milk toner quite some time ago and you liked it. I think you might be right. I just can't remember the brand name. Any longtime subscribers out there remember the brand that I liked? Oh, and we have another milk skin toner, and I guess this is moisturizing and soothing. I'm wondering if this is a stronger variety or a different variety. The label is in black, not gray. This next item is a glossy coating mist, brightening and anti-wrinkle, and the expiration dates are all still coming in 2027. So that's good. I've got time to play with them myself, or if I share them, there's time to share them. And I'm looking here to see what it says, that it delivers intense hydration to the skin barrier, leaving the skin glossy and moisturized. Spray a sufficient amount all over the face, either during skincare or after makeup. This shiny red box is a makeup fixer. Yeah, we got some bling going on here. Mask Fit Makeup Fixer, long-lasting, blurring effect, moist finish. Okay, so it's not going to be a matte. It's going to give you a little bit of a dewy glow. Ooh, I like that. I want to try it on my fur. Okay, we'll try it later. Okay. A ceramic cream in light for moisturizing and soothing. A collagen lifting eye cream to reduce wrinkles. Refreshing skin wrinkle spot treatment. 15 milliliters. This is the niacinamide serum, and it has retinol. And another ingredient that we don't know how to pronounce. Niacinamide serum, 20% niacinamide plus retinol plus, and I'm going to take a whack at trying to pronounce this one, glutathione. Not sure if I said that correctly. 30 milliliters, but it's for brightening and firming and pore tightening. I like a good vitamin C serum, and it looks like we have one. Oh, so maybe eventually we'll have a comparison between this and Sunday Riley or the Sephora brand or another brand. Maybe so. This one is Pure Vitamin C24 Serum, 24% vitamin C, plus triple collagen, plus a 7 complex, and a CICA-7 complex. Sika? And somewhere on here I remember seeing that it gives you quite a good instruction base before you use the product. That's nice. It talks about opening the cap carefully and attach the dropper. Vitamin C products can easily discolor due to oxidation, so they recommend using it within 2 months after opening. So very good instructions on the side, and I'm double checking here on the bottom. Yes, expires, well, it is written in European terms 18/02/27. So February 18th of 2027. That gives you plenty of time to try it. Yes, especially if it is kept closed and sealed up and not opened and played with. We are about halfway through this box, give or take. What did you see that you liked? Let me know, let me know. I would say I am most excited for the cleansing balm and the vitamin C serum and the under eye cream. And now moving right along with this video. This is a fun trio of items that comes within the calendar. And if you check out our shorts feed in December, early December, there should be a demonstration of these 3 items. In that set, there is a spongy applicator, so you can use that with the 2 products if you don't want to get your fingers goopy or into the product. That's kind of nice. Yes. This is a black honey lip oil. That is the shade. It goes on dark, but you can smooth it out. This is their Pearl Glitter. That is the shade in white. And I did try a little bit of it today for a little highlighter. Oh, that's some snazzy packaging. Yes, it is. This is a melting lip balm. It is in the shade Mauve Rose Blush. That is what the shade will look like. I'm not going to dig in yet, but the packaging, it reflects really nicely. Yes, it does. This little gem is also in Mauve Rose, but it's a glow tint. So I'm taking it that this is a liquid lip, same shade as the lipstick, yet in a lighter form. So it could be used as a topper or on its own if you wanted a just bit of color. I like these packages, the way they reflect the light. She is attracted to bling. We have 3 very interesting baubles or bangles or ornaments or very interesting little things. This is what it looks like on the inside. There is a tiny mirror, about enough to see an eyeball. And then there's this part here which swings open. Oh, let's not drop it. And then the product would go on the inside in there. Oh, that's interesting. But where do you get the product? Yeah, well, they were thinking in advance. Let me show you. Day 16 is a grouping of 4 packages. And inside each package, you got 6 samples of their foundation. Oh, now that's a neat idea. You can try out the foundations and pick the one you like the best. Yes! These are the samples that come in each of those bigger packages. And I was looking here, we've got 13C Fair, 13N Fair Ivory, 15C Fair Porcelain, and we've got 17C Porcelain, 17N Vanilla, 17W French Vanilla. And these would be some darker shades that they would offer in their samples to try. 35N Walnut, 37C Almond, 40N Cinnamon, 43N Deep Cocoa, 51N Fudge, 55N Espresso. So it looks like they're trying to hit on a wide variety of skin tones, and you get to try it out in person. I can't pick a favorite in this half of the box. I'm excited to try everything in this half of the box and see what I think. Like I said earlier, I wasn't familiar with the brand, so an advent calendar gives you that option to try things out at a lesser cost. Taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, we paid $99 for this. Originally, this was $290, which would have made each day $18.12, which is still a discount off of what they're asking for products on their website. Although personally, I like the $99 overall price tag and each day a $6.18. That's reasonable. I can deal with that. This seems like a good quality product, and I believe the brand, not necessarily the advent calendar, but I believe the brand, is now in Ulta. And they also have their own website. Good grouping of skincare and cleansers and lippies in this calendar. The fact that it doesn't expire to 2027, that gives time for me to use it, or if I pass it along, the recipient time to use it. And would I change anything? No, I think they put a good selection of cleansers and makeup items. And we didn't get a whole lot of funky filler stuff. Very true. Thank you for taking the time to watch today. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to share the video. We're trying to build up the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. You know the routine. We hope to see you in another video. We've got lots of fun things coming here. And don't forget to check out the shorts feed in December. There will be a short every day in December. Usually it's just Saturday and Sunday. So it's a coming.